Hello everyone, welcome back to For Her Entertainment. Today I want to talk about Chime Bank. Now, back in January I did post a video explaining about how I joined Chime Bank, and I also did a review on their bank and what I thought about it and what I got out of it. But at the end of that video, I also said that I would post a video showing you guys how to make money with Chime Bank. I am sorry that it took so long for me to post this video, but I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the way today. So, joining Chime, you get the potential to earn extra residual income. Earning that extra residual income, you get a chance to refer prospective members to Chime Bank, and for referring them, you get $50 for each referral. Upon them joining and getting a direct deposit of $200 or more, they also will receive a $50 referral bonus for you referring them. So it's kind of like, you both win in the situation. They get a little and you get a little. It's not one-sided. And so back in March, Chime Bank did have an offer that stated if you refer 5 people to Chime Bank before March 31st, you do get a one-time only limited edition black Chime card with your name etched on it. And that is what I got here in my envelope. I have no reason to lie to you guys. This is from Chime Bank. It was dated April the 2nd of 2019. And I did get it today in my mailbox. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up. Okay. And so here is the front of the card. And it says, banking the way it should be. There's also a little calls to action. On this side, it says spread the word, where you can post and share them on Instagram. They have an Instagram page. You can also connect with them on Facebook. And then you also have the chance to keep earning. And so you can still get $50 for each person that you refer, but they must join Chime and they must have a direct deposit of $200 placed into their accounts before a 45-day limit, and you both will get $50. So on this side, it says, get your shine on. Hey, we think you're pretty awesome. Thanks for sharing Chime with friends. Now show off your new bling. You've earned it. So I did refer 5 people at $50 each. You go ahead and do the math. I did it. You can do it too. And here is my limited edition card that I got with Chime. Now, originally, the natural card that you get from Chime is green and white, and it has the Visa logo. It does say Chime in green writing at the bottom of it. And it does have a chip, but the only difference is that it's green and white, and this one is limited edition. So I'm so very proud of that. Also, my name and information is all on the back of the card. Nothing is on the front. It's very sophisticated design, and it also is very safe. It's a very safe measure that they're taking. So, I'm glad that my information is not on the front. However, my card information is safe, and I do love that. All I have to do is get into my app and activate my card. It's just that easy. I can activate it from my app. I don't have to call. I don't have to get online. All I have to do is open up my app, click activate, and it's activated. It's that easy, you guys. I love Chime. I really do. I absolutely love Chime because they make everything so easy. They're so sophisticated. They don't charge any banking fees. However, if you are a freelancer, or if you are an independent contractor like me, and you choose to load your money that you make onto your card, there is a fee at reloading locations for $4.95. Other than that, that is the only fee. Oh wait, you guys, there's one more surprise. I think I did not say that this card was made out of metal. Yes, it is a metal card. It is made out of real metal, and that's why it is limited edition. Chime! Chime, chime, chime. Chime. Chime, chime, chime. Time on my hands. Y'all, I love Chime. I really do. Y'all should join Chime. I mean, you ain't got nothing to lose but everything to gain. If y'all want to keep paying Wells Fargo and Chase, if they still open, and Capital One and P&G, if y'all want to keep on paying these expensive fees, go right ahead. Ain't nobody gonna stop you but you. But if you smart, you'll do like me and you'll go to Chime Bank, where you don't have no fees. Also, get a chance to have a savings account, and your savings account is automatic once you activate the offer. It is automatic for you to start saving. For instance, anytime you make a purchase with your Chime card, any balance that is left over will be deposited into your savings account. So say for instance, you go to McDonald's and you get a number of items that round up to $2.50. Okay, so if we round up to the nearest whole, that would be $3. So obviously, once your card is charged and it is cleared for the $2.50, the nearest round up to $3 will be an extra 50 cents, right? Okay, so that extra 50 cents that did not get factored into the $2.50 purchase automatically goes into your savings account. Your savings account is accessible to you in the app, and you can always see how much of your money is deposited into your savings account, and you can also decide to turn that feature on and off, and you can also take the funds out of your savings account and you can put them back into your spending account or checking account, if that's what you want to call it. But the money is transferable, and it's transferable instantly from your savings account to your spending account. So there is no worries there. There is no hassle with your money in your savings account. You do as you please, and they let you. There is no big man with a big black hat trying to snatch all the change that he can get from you. Chime Bank is not that. They're not that at all. You run your life, you run your finances. And that's all I have to say. So if you're tired of the man in the big black hat chasing you down and throwing all these fees at you, if every time you turn around it's a different fee, come to Chime Bank. Follow my link in the description box. I'm not trying to use y'all. I'm just trying to help you. Just like somebody helped me and put me on the Chime Bank, I'm trying to help y'all because I don't like regular banks. I don't like traditional banks. So if mobile banking is where it's at and I can save my money and I'm not being charged out the ass by these roguish bankers, then this is where I will be. So like I said, if y'all tired of these banks charging y'all all these fees every time you turn around, you being charged for something, go down into my description box, click my link, join Chime, get your $50 and I get mine. Okay, you guys? If you have any questions, go down to the comment section, type away, do what you gotta do. Ain't no silly question. Ask me, I'm here to answer. If you've been with Chime Bank and you didn't like it, leave a comment and let me know. I want to hear it. I will reply. Just let me know. Just leave a comment, you guys. Also, like this video, please. If you like it, like it. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews, for more money-making opportunities, for beauty reviews, and for entertainment. You guys, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you like my jewelry and you're wondering where you can get it from, I do have a shop on Etsy. You can find me at For Her Entertainment. You can also find me on Facebook at For Her Entertainment or Ari Styles. And you can also find me on Mercari at For Her Entertainment. So go ahead, check out my fashion store. I'm sure you guys will like the pieces that I have to offer, and I have free shipping. Go ahead and check that out. In the meantime, you guys be blessed. You have a blessed day. Much love. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.